grade 6 students. Are you doing great over there? I hope so. Okay, for our lesson this time, it's about adjective. One more time, adjective. Okay? And here are the vocabulary for the adjective. Number 1, aware of. One more time, aware of. Thai language. You can read the Thai language. And what does it mean by aware of? Aware of means having knowledge of a situation or fact. Okay? Example sentence. Everybody is aware of the danger of smoking. One more time. Everybody is aware of the danger of smoking. Aware of. Number 2, fond of. Fond of. You can read the Thai language, and it means having an affection. Affection means love or liking for. That means you like that activity very much, or you like the food very much. So that is fond of. Example, he is fond of horses. In other words, he likes horses very much. Or, I am fond of eating ice cream. Like that. Okay, number 3, sorry for. Sorry for. You can read the Thai language. That means feeling sorry or regret. Feeling sorry or regret. Example, I'm sorry for the mistake I've done. One more time. I'm sorry for the mistake I've done. Okay? Sorry for. Next, adjective, ready for. Ready for. Sa Thai, then it means prepared for something. You're very ready, prepared to do something. Example sentence, the students are ready for the final examination tomorrow. One more time, the students are ready for the final examination tomorrow. Ready for. The next is devoted to. Devoted to. Sa Thai, then the meaning in English, a strong feeling of loyalty. That means you are not going to separate from that person or from that thing. A strong feeling of loyalty and love. That is devoted to. The activity that you love very much. Okay, example, my parents. Parents, mother and father, are devoted to our family. One more time. My parents are devoted to our family. And sometimes dogs too. Okay? The dogs are also devoted to their masters. Okay? The next one is helpful to. Helpful to. You can read the Thai language. Then it means giving or ready to give help. Giving or ready to give help. Helpful to. Example, the students are helpful to their teachers and parents. Again, the students are helpful to their teachers and parents. Helpful to. Okay, the grammar. For our grammar structure, question and answer. What are you aware of? Remember the meaning of aware. Okay? You know something. What are you aware of? You can share your answer, your own answer. In the example, I'm aware of the danger on the road. I'm aware of the danger on the road. Okay, number 2. What is she or he fond of? She is or he is fond of traveling around the world. What is she or he fond of? She is or he is fond of traveling around the world. Okay, next. What are they devoted to? What are they devoted to? Answer, they are devoted to God. Or they are devoted to their parents, to their teacher. Okay, next. What is he sorry for? What is he sorry for? Answer, he's sorry for forgetting his homework. Okay, one more time. He's sorry for forgetting his homework. The next one. What is Jack's helpful to? What is Jack's helpful to? Answer, he's very helpful to his neighbor. He's very helpful to his neighbor. Okay, number 6. What are the students ready for? What are the students ready for? All students are ready for the school retreat. All students are ready for the school retreat. Okay. Now for your worksheet, I'm going to give you next week. Aware of, in the table, careful of, helpful to, ready for, and polite to. Okay? Number 1, my job. In my job, I deal with lots of people. I really like to be blank from here to the people I meet. Okay, number 2 here, your answer you're going to write in the blanks. Okay, number 2 here, write and choose the correct answer. Just circle the letters. Okay, aware of, anything, danger in the dark, or school. You choose. Okay, you're going to answer 1 to 5. Now, for our grammar, how to write instruction. How to write instruction. What does instruction mean? Okay, for our vocabulary, we will read first together the English and you read the Pasatay. Okay? Everybody, instructions. Instructions, number 1. Okay, number 2, unplug. Unplug. Number 3, adjust. Adjust. Okay, next, remove. Remove. Next is important. Important. Next, be careful. Be careful. Next one, make sure. Make sure. Okay, next is add. Add. Take out. Take out. Plug in. Plug in. Pour. Pour. Put. Put. Okay? Now let's go back in this grammar. How to write instruction. Remember instruction in Pasatay? Okay? You're going to give direction for someone what he's going to do. Now let's go here. When we need to write instructions, we often use the following pattern. Okay, these are the pattern. The first one is you must have base form of verb plus object. Example, open the door. Open the door. Open is the base form of the verb and the object is the door. Okay? So, base form of verb plus object. Okay, next is do plus not plus base form of the verb. Do plus not plus base form of the verb. Example, do not, base form of the verb open. Then the object, the verb is door. Okay, one more time. Do plus not plus base form of the verb. Example, do not open the door. Okay. We also use reminders or warning phrases such as warning phrases such as be careful, make sure, it's important. Okay, example, be careful not to burn yourself. One more time, be careful not to burn yourself. Now, for you to understand about the vocabulary, you can go back here. Okay, because there are Thai languages. Okay, next, this one, you can see in this slide the parts of, what's this? Toaster. Okay, number one, you can look at here. Number one is toasting sluts. Number two, toast lever. Number three, cancel button. Number four, reheat button. Number five, defrost button. Number six, here, this one, browning control, or this is the knob. For you to adjust, if you want your bread to be very brown, you are going to adjust the knob. This is the knob. Okay. Number seven, crumb tray. This one, crumb tray. I introduced to you this one because this is very useful for your worksheets. Okay, number one, activity. These are the instructions. How to toast bread in a toaster. So you're going to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by looking at the table. Okay? Example, adjust the knob. Adjust the knob. Remember the knob is this one. Okay? Adjust the knob. Next, lower the lever. Where's the lever? Number 2, this is the lever. Okay, next, put 2 pieces of bread into. Okay, this one here, like this. Okay, next is plug in the toaster. Plug in the toaster. How are you going to plug in the toaster? Okay, there is some cord here. You're going to plug in so that it will work. The next is take the bread out. Okay, you're going to take the bread out from this toaster. Next is unplug. So after you're going to toast your bread, you're going to unplug. So plug in, unplug. Okay, so for your activity 2, example of activity 1, plug in the toaster. I give you example, into an electric socket. Just like okay, like this. So you're going to plug in something here, then plug out. Unplug. Unplug, plug in. Okay? Into the electric socket. Okay, number 2, you will be the one to answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choose the best answer from here. Okay, for your activity 2, make sure it's important. Sit, be careful. Put, add, be careful. Remove and pour. Okay? How to make a perfect cup of tea. Okay? If you want to drink a cup of tea. So this is how you are going to prepare. Okay. Just read this one. I give you example for the answer. Make sure you switch it on. Then the blank here, choose your answers from here. And for your worksheets, I think you have already the copy about number 1 activity. And I'm going to check that one when we're going to see each other again. That's all for today. Thank you. See you next time. This ain't over.